where the deer cross. At this hill here, and immediately came on this trail, which the deer also use. It's extremely well worn. I have no idea where it goes, but I'm going to find out. Hey, Bentbrook here. I am out exploring today and found some new territory, some new trails. I just kind of want to show you what I'm looking at in some places here. So, hang on a sec. All right, you can see this trail that I came on. I came across it when I crossed the creek. This trail that I'm currently on. This trail over here goes this way, and you can see a field there. And all these briar thickets, and yet this trail goes up this way. So I'm curious to see where it leads, and that's why I'm headed here. This trail has gained altitude quickly. You can see down here the beautiful bottomlands. And the field, someone's farm. And this ridge that I'm on has a lot of cut trees on it. I don't know. I'll keep exploring. I'm also back down. I was just up the hill, which you can see behind me. Yeah, see the trail. And just went up there and ended up seeing a house, a rooftop in the distance, and saw it on a GPS kind of map. And the goal of this is to try to find solitude, not to find houses. So I turned back, came back down the hill, and now I'm going to kind of follow the path the other way. So this way is a field, as you can see behind me. It continues back the way that I came originally. So I'm going to take a peek and see what I can find down that way. Back. I've been following that creek, and I want to show you what I've seen on this trail, which actually follows a creek. So let me show you what I'm seeing. Just taking a look down at the creek bottom at raccoon tracks. That's the trail that I've been following. And all of a sudden, I came to this area, this bank, and there are older trees, and I think probably a four-wheel trail or deer trail. Maybe deer trail. But older trees, and it looks like going back to the creek I crossed before. Anyway, it's definitely scenic. You can see over there through the trees is the bike path. And the creek crossing is right here. And it goes on down that way. This is an intriguing rise here. And I can see houses up there. So, filling some more gaps here. This is definitely an interesting side of the creek, to be sure. Well, somebody's getting a new roof in the distance, but you can probably make out the trail that I walked on here. The slope that I just came up here And these trees on the edge, and what they do is they open up into a much older growth woodland here with houses up through the trees, which you can see over there. So, it's intriguing. I think I'm heading back down the trail here. Fairly steep. Fairly steep. Alright. Back this way. So from the trail I looked over and saw this fun little tree. But I think it also is a game trail. You can see indentation, so I'm thinking maybe deer. Well, I cut up from that pass trail and I have a big hill behind me. Guess you can sort of make that out with the sun, it's hard to say. And there's a trail behind me and a trail ahead of me. So I'm going to follow the trail ahead of me. I think I know where it goes. I think I saw the other end of it a while back. I can see down here, it's the flat line I walked through and I can make out the trail that I was on. Interesting. Okay, so today I went light. It's a little Le Bleu water bottle with a aqua clip to attach it. And here I went with my canteen cup kit, but that's not what's in it today. Titanium 10 sticks and my totes. So on the outside you'll see this solution. This is a Totes 550 pot, Medaglia d'Oro Instant Espresso. Big lighter. Super cheap but small spoon, which is why I have it with me today. Even can be deployed with one hand. Alright, Snow Peak hot lips. That'll allow me to drink it. And this, which I'll show you a little bit. Go ahead and put the lid on. Let me come back in a sec and I'll show you my stove. Okay, this little lightweight thing is my stove. It's nothing more than a pan for esbit or other fixing fuel, and a little ultra lightweight. It's either stainless or titanium. Looks like titanium judging from the way it's colored. So an ultra lightweight titanium foil piece that funnels it up like a chimney. And what I'll do is put this inside my ring, if you will, my pot support, and I'll put some hexamine, and that's what I have in here. I put a little bit of dust from some pine on there to get the hexamine going. So above is the ridge that I climbed and went back down when I saw a rooftop. If you look closely, you might catch red buds and blue. So below the ridge is this creek. Turns the corner. Really nice view down the hill here.